Vocabulary.
Sports.
Jogging.
Lari santai.
Running.
Lari cepat.
Walking.
Berjalan.
Swimming.
Berenang.
Bicycling.
Bersepeda.
Skiing.
Main ski es.
Sailing.
Berlayar.
Skating.
Bersepatu luncur es.
Roller skating.
Bersepatu roda.
Fishing.
Mancing.
Soccer.
Sepak bola.
Basketball.
Basket.
Tennis.
Bermain tenis.
Volleyball.
Bermain voli.
Baseball.
Bisbol.
For examples.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to go jogging.
I like to go running.
I like to go walking.
I like to go swimming.
I like to go bicycling.
I like to go skiing.
I like to go sailing.
I like to go skating.
I like to go roller skating.
I like to go fishing.
I like to play soccer.
I like to play basketball. I like to play tennis.
I like to play volleyball.
I like to play baseball.